Let's amplify.
Hey, what were your research findings? Are residents of South Delhi richer than residents of South Mumbai?
No way! My research tells me that a resident of South Mumbai earns far more than a resident of South Delhi. You see, Mumbai rocks.
But my research tells the contrary. According to my research, an average South Delhi resident earns more than South Mumbai resident. By the way, what was your sample size?
300 respondents.
Mine as well.
Hey, I do not think that I did anything wrong. I followed every step of what our instructor had said. He gave me the list of respondents and I simply went and met each and every one.
So who do you think I was meeting? I was also meeting the set of respondents that our instructor asked me to interview.
Let's then check out from our instructor who went wrong.
Sir, you asked us to do this research with different set of respondents in South Delhi and South Mumbai to find out which place has richer people. His research suggests South Mumbai and mine South Delhi. How is this possible when both of us followed your instructions to the T?
How are both of you reaching to your conclusions?
Let me explain, sir. I went to 300 respondents in Delhi and 300 in Mumbai and inquired about their annual income. I then took the mean of their income and found out that the South Mumbai resident earns 22 lakhs per annum, whereas South Delhi residents earn only 16.5 lakhs per annum.
So while you did follow my instructions while collecting data, you should not analyze the data this way. Mean or average gets affected by any extreme response in your dataset. For example, what was the salary of the richest person in your Mumbai dataset?
10 crore.
And yours?
1 crore.
There lies the flaw. In such a case, how can you compare the dataset by looking at just the mean income? You need to compare the means, but by using a significance test.
What's that?
A significance test tells you that if you had repeated this experiment multiple times, that is, collected data from different samples of 300 respondents multiple times, would you have reached the same conclusion every time?
That is interesting. How is it done? And wait a minute, what are we trying to ensure through significance test?
Just that, whatever conclusion you draw, it's not by chance.
And one can be sure of it only when the conclusion gets repeated every time the experiment is conducted.
Is every time necessary? Can there be some relaxation there? Are we really going to conduct our study many times? Am I going to ask you to repeat the exercise with a different set of 300 respondents in Mumbai and Delhi? All that we will learn in our discussion on significance or hypothesis testing.